Yeah. All right. Okay. Hi, I'm Christina, process engineer here at Kaizink. I started in the print industry about over a decade ago. I started in small format printing, bookbinding, as well as some large format. I moved to Arizona, still kind of wanted to keep in the same industry, but I did move over to apparel printing. Started in DTF, plotting, heat press vinyl, HTV, and then kind of moved into embroidery, and that's where I think I found like my niche, I guess you could say. I've been here ever since, going on 4 years upcoming. Our number one precept here is grow people, and I feel like since I've been here, I've grown a lot professionally and personally, and very proud to be a part of the Kaizink team.